So Roblox has recently updated their terms of service, and to everyone's surprise, they're now gonna let users refund game passes purchased in the past. We all have game passes from games that we don't even play anymore, or maybe you accidentally made an accident and purchased a game pass out of sheer accident. If this is you, don't worry, because Roblox will now refund the amount you spend on the game pass back into your Roblox account. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you guys in this video. Now before we jump into it, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Eneba. If you play Roblox or any other games, this is honestly one site you'll want to bookmark. I personally use Eneba to buy all my Roblox gift cards, and it's super fast. Like, you literally get your code instantly after checkout. No waiting, no shady sellers, just straight to the point. What I really like about Eneba is that you can pay with different methods like credit card, PayPal, whatever works best for you, and you still get the lowest price, sometimes even lower than the value of your gift card. Plus, they've got gift cards for PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, and even Nintendo. So it's not just Roblox players who'll benefit from it. So if you're planning to get some Robux for future purchases, definitely check out eneba.com, and you can also get an additional 10% off with my link in the description below. With that said, in order to get a full refund for your Game Pass, the first thing that you want to do is head over to transactions on the Roblox homepage, and this will show you the list of all the transactions you've made. You can also filter this to past year, and that's going to give you a list of all the transactions you've made in the entire past year. Here, you're going to locate the exact Game Pass that you want to refund. Once you find it, click on the game where the Game Pass is from, and then click on store. Here you'll find a list of all the items on sale, and if you purchased a Game Pass, you'll see a text saying owned right next to it. So this is the exact Game Pass that we purchased, and all you want to do here is copy the link of this web page and keep it copied to your clipboard, or you can just paste it into your notes to access it later. Once that's done, head over to your Roblox homepage, and up at the top, click right here and select help and safety. Then head over to the help center, and under promoted articles, select unauthorized transactions and refund requests. If you scroll to the bottom, you're gonna see this text saying need more help. Just click on it and then contact support. This will bring up a support form that you're gonna have to fill up with your own information. Make sure to fill in every single detail. The email ID, for example, must be the one associated with your Roblox account. Then select your device type. Under category, choose purchases using Robux, and under subcategory, select inexperienced item, since game passes are in-game items. Now to describe the issue, and this is extremely important, you want to make sure to tell the Roblox team that the purchase was accidental, not unauthorized. If you say it's unauthorized, Roblox will refund you, but they'll also permanently delete your account. So unless you want to do that, don't mention that the transaction was unauthorized. Instead, say the transaction was accidental and that you purchased it but by mistake. So the exact sentence I'm gonna type is, I'm reaching out to request a refund for Game Pass that I purchased by mistake. I initially believed it was a different Game Pass, but later realized the error after completing the purchase. The purchase was made by me, and I fully acknowledge that it was unintentional. Please find the link to the Game Pass here, and this is where you're gonna be pasting the link that you copied earlier on the video, and then you can just finish it off by saying thank you for your time and understanding. And that's pretty much it. Now you'll just have to wait until someone from Roblox gets back to you, and you will get your Game Pass refunded. However, your Game Pass will also be revoked, which means you won't have it anymore. But the whole point of this video is to get refunds for Game Passes you don't use anymore, so I'd say we're good on that. With that being said, I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section so I can respond and help you out. A lot of the times our community here at Dr. Glitch is even faster to respond when it comes to questions, so definitely make sure to comment. Thanks a lot for watching.